Hello and welcome back. Welcome to my chicken satay flan video. Alrighty, today I am using puff pastry because I don't have any lemon to do the homemade short crust pastry. But if you want to make the homemade version, I will write it down below with all the directions on how you do that. Okay, so first thing we need to do is get 2 sheets of puff pastry out. We need to preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I've got a flan tin there with a removable bottom, but if you haven't got one of them, just use any tin you've got. So the ingredients, we need 2 cups of cooked chicken chopped. So it doesn't matter what chicken you can get your hands on, just cook it up and chop it up to 2 cups. We need a couple of eggs, some coriander leaves, dried coriander leaves, either fresh garlic or jar garlic, fresh ginger or jar ginger. We need some light soy sauce, a brown onion. We need some crunchy peanut butter, some Keen's curry powder or any curry powder. We need some coconut cream, some honey and a little bit of milk. So the first thing we want to do is peel and chop our onion and stick it in a little fry pan. Alrighty, once we've got our onion in a little frying pan, you want to add just a little dash of oil. I've got olive oil, but you can use any oil you want. Now you want to add 1 clove of garlic crushed, or 1 heaped teaspoon of the jar garlic. Now you want half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or half a teaspoon of the jar ginger, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and half a teaspoon of the dried coriander leaves. Okay, now we want to put it onto a medium heat and we just want to fry it and constantly stir it just for a couple of minutes until the onion goes see-through and we've got all those aromas through the house. Once we've done that and we've got it smelling beautiful, we want to stick it into a big bowl and let it cool down for a couple of minutes. Alright, while that's cooling down, we want to grab a small bowl, chuck our 2 eggs in there, whisk them up with a fork so they're ready to go. Now we want to add 1/4 cup of the crunchy peanut butter. Alright, now we need some coconut cream. I'm just using the light one today because that's all I could get. And you'll find these in the little Asian section of your grocery. Alright, we need 1/3 cup, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, our 2 whisked eggs. Now just grab a fork and we want to mix it through really well. Now we add our 2 cups of cooked chicken and we mix that through. Once we've done that, we set it aside for a minute. Now if you're going to use one of these flan tins where the base comes out, alright, the best thing for you to do is to put it into a tray, or onto a tray I should say. That way, when we put our pastry in, you're not lifting it up and breaking it at the bottom, and at the same time, if any does leak out in the oven, it'll go onto your tray. Okay, so we stick our first bit of puff in, and then we want to just make sure you push it down all the way around so there's no air bubbles at the bottom. Alright, the second piece I'll just roughly cut into 4 strips. And then I'll just get them, push them down to the very bottom and push it along the edge and just line it from the bottom of the pan. Okay, once we've done that, just gently bend them over. And once we've gently bent them over, just push down. And then we just remove the excess that we've cut by pushing down. Oh yeah. And we have our flan tin ready to go. Okay, pour our filling in. Once we've poured it in, just get the juice all the way around, even it up. And then spread all your chicken out nice and even. And as quick as that, lovelies, we've got our flan ready to go. So now let's bang it in the oven. Woohoo, mate! 45 minutes later in my electric oven, and it smells freaking amazing. Oh, yeah, baby. Alright, so what I do is put a bowl there. If you set the base on top, you can very gently let the size drop off. Let's cut a bit of this baby up. Oh, look at this, my friends. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Chicken satay flan. Serve 6, easy. Oh, packed full of flavour. You gotta give it a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!